In today's video, I'm going to teach you ways to add images in Typeform, whether you're aiming to enrich individual questions, create visual answer options, or set a striking background. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your Typeform with captivating imagery. First up, let's discuss adding an image to a specific question. If you're looking to embed an image, such as a photo, chart, or even a GIF, directly within a question, that's entirely possible. To start, open up your form within Typeform and select the specific question you want to work with. You'll notice the Question tab on the right side of your screen. Click on the Add button next to Image or Video. Here's where you get to decide whether to upload your own image or take advantage of Typeform's integrated image libraries like Unsplash or Noun Project, which host a vast selection of visual content. Once you have your image, you can tailor how it appears, ensuring it harmonizes with your content. Pay attention to how it displays both on desktop and mobile devices, so it fits seamlessly into your form's framework. This is a critical step, ensuring that your audience experiences a polished presentation, whether they're on their phone or a computer. Moving on, let's explore using images in answer options with the Picture Choice feature. When you want to create a visually engaging multiple-choice question, this is your go-to option. Begin by clicking Add Content, and then select Picture Choice. Afterward, enter your question text. For each answer option, click the image icon next to it. This allows you to upload your own images or choose from the provided image libraries. It's a fantastic way to make your multiple-choice questions pop and be even more inviting. You also have a range of customization features at your disposal. Adjust the image size to either default or supersize for added emphasis. You can also explore options like randomization to present choices in a random order and add labels for clarity. Playing with these settings gives your Typeforms a unique touch and keeps your respondents engaged. Throughout this process, keep your audience in mind. Visuals can significantly impact the way your questions are perceived and answered. By incorporating images thoughtfully, you can create a more dynamic and engaging experience that resonates with your respondents. Remember, every visual element should enhance comprehension and encourage interaction with your form. And there you have it. Two simple yet effective methods for integrating images into your Typeform. By adding visual elements to your questions and answer options, you create not only a more appealing form, but also one that is memorable and engaging for your users. Enjoy the creative process and the enriched communication that comes with it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.